Welcome to another one of my videos. Today I will be talking about the rule of 24, just a fun little thing that you can use as a mathematical trick. Enjoy! So, you may be asking yourself, what is this rule of 24 that I'm talking about? Well, you see, if you take two numbers, for example a 1 and a 9, and then you add them together to get 10, then you add the digits of your result together, giving you a 1. Add that to the end of your pattern. So you start with 1, 9, the next one will be a 1, followed by a second 1, and then a 2, and so forth. Now, unless you're using only multiples of 3, this will be a pattern of 24. But if you end up using two multiples of 3, 3, 6, or 9 to start your pattern, it actually ends up being only 1/3 of the length before repeating itself, with only 8. Now, even if you multiply, that there still is a 24 pattern, but there's many more exceptions. Instead of 3, 6, and 9, if your pattern would start with 1, 4, or 7. If you notice, though, they are still 3 numbers apart. I wonder, what if we try this with different number systems, such as binary or hexadecimal? What kind of other patterns would emerge? I'm not going to get into this today because that's on a higher level. I don't want to get too complex for my YouTube viewers. No, not meaning any offense, of course. I just try to keep things simple, you know? But if you think that I am being insulting to your intelligence by not going into the other number systems here, then look at classic Doctor Who, trying to pass off mathematical symbols as old-time Gallifreyan. Clip from the classic serial, The Five Doctors.
What does the inscription say?
Yes, I'd quite like to know as well.
Yes, we've all been through a great deal to get here.
You tell them. It's Old High Gallifreyan, the ancient language of the Time Lords.
So aside from the rule of 24, there are many other little tricks that you can do with mathematics. Easy ways to multiply in your head by separating. So you have to do something multiplied by 7. You can componentize that into times 5 and times 2, which means you take the number, you add the number to itself, and you just keep that number safe somewhere. Then you just add a 0 at the end of the number, and then half that, and put your two results together. It may seem a little roundabout, but it's a good mental trick for trying to componentize huge multipliers for doing math in your head when you just don't have a calculator around. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Many more videos on all sorts of topics. Most of them, if not all of them, relatively nerdy. Feel free to subscribe to my channel.